Hey guys, it's Dudofall back with another unboxing video. I haven't made one of these in, well, like a year or so. So here we have the Nintendo Switch gray version. I'll just try and open this up here and see what is inside. Alright, we got some step-by-step instructions. That's always handy. Okay, plug it in, set it up, and if you need help, okay, so they want you to plug it in. I thought that you might in fact have a battery charge already on it. Now I could be wrong on that, but that's just what I thought would be the case. So here we got our left Joy-Con controller. Focus is really great, man. It's so great. Alright, so I'll just kind of put that. This is very difficult to do with one hand. Alright, there's one side. Here's the other side. Joy-Con. And just so you know, I did get a protection plan against the Joy-Con drift, which, you know, is going to cause the Joy-Cons to basically not, the control sticks are not going to work as well after a couple of years. Let's see where the power button is, right here. Right, haven't we got anything? Oh, there we go. Nintendo Switch. The rest of the stuff in this box is probably not even worth it, really. Well, that's very exciting. Okay. It's English. We're in the Americas. I don't own any of the software, guys. I'm just licensing it for later. The time zone is, where's Chicago? Chicago. It's, let's see. It's February. What is it today? Oh boy. February 10th. 2020. It's the future, guys. And it is, as I record this, 5:56 p.m. Yeah, I don't have a TV in my car. Detach the controllers. You just kind of pull it off. Not sure why they want me to do that, but can use them attached or detached. Oh, you can import from another console? I want to do that. Yes. Wait, does it have to be a Switch? Yes. Okay, you know what? This is gonna just... Alright. Let's just look at what else is in the box. I mean, you know what's in here, right? You take this thing off. Hey presto, you got some cables here. This one is your HDMI, so your video and sound. This is going to be your power cable. You've got a little controller thing in here. You basically put the controllers on the sides of that. And this is the dock. So you dock that plug it into your TV. This has been a Switch unboxing video, and I'm going to go home where my 3DS is and see if I can't import it from there.